Meaning of fondue.
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 Fondue. Fondue is a Swiss dish consisting of melted cheese or chocolate that is kept in a communal pot over a heat source and is used as a dip. The cheese or chocolate is typically served with bread cubes, vegetables, fruit, or other small items that are speared on long forks and then dipped into the mixture. As the cheese or chocolate is heated, it becomes warm, creamy, and easy to dip into. The result is a social and interactive dining experience that is perfect for sharing with friends and family.